Bird, bird, why do you cry? I can't cry, so I sing. I can't speak, so I sing. I don't want to think, so I sing. Bird, bird, why don't you speak? 'Cause there are one who break down my words dissect them, tie up words with unexpected meanings, with broken language, and stab someone with broken words. Bird, bird, then why don't you stop singing before the words pile up and kill the lark? May only my heart, only my sad and painful heart reach the sky, not reach anyone. Only in the empty sky far away. Just comfort my broken heart, just save my fragile soul. Silence quietly and fade away. Don't even tickle the leaves, don't even echo against the bamboo, don't even hum with the breeze. Just the sky, in that quiet star disappear quietly, becoming meaningless smog. I scream, can't cry, only sing songs without sound, sing grief with exotic words so